students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to draw a line segment of length 12.8 centimeter using compass, divide it into 4 equal parts and verify by actual measurement. So let us first drawing a rough diagram. Let's say this is our line segment. We have to divide this line segment into 4 equal parts. Let's say this is first part. Let's say this is second part. Let's say this is third part and fourth part. Now this is our line segment and it is divided into 4 parts. Now we have to draw this using the ruler and compass. Now let us considering our line segment is AB, whose length is given to us, which is equals to 12.8 centimeter. So AB is equals to 12.8 centimeter. Now we are roughly drawing a line from here. So let's say this is our line L, and let's say this is the point A. We have to draw a line segment A whose length is 12.8 meter. Now we are going to use the ruler and the compass. So let's say this is our ruler, this is the point 0, and let's say this is the length which is 12.8. So we are going to place the tip of the needle of the compass at point 0 and we have to open our compass till 12.8. Now using that open compass, we are going to place the needle of the compass at A and we are going to draw the arc. Let's say this is the arc, let's say this is the point B, and from here we get the length of the point AB. This is equals to 12.8 centimeter. Now we have to we have to divide this length AB into 4 equal parts. So what we are going to do is, if we draw the bisector of AB, so when we draw the bisector of AB, then AB will be divided into 2 equal parts, and let's say bisector will be at the point M. Now when we get the bisector of when we draw the bisector of AM, we got the middle of the AM, and when we draw the bisector of BM, we got the middle of that BM. So in this way we can say that our this line segment is divided into 4 equal parts. Now in order to draw the bisector, what we are going to do is, we have to place the center of the needle at the point A and open that compass more than the half of the length of the line segment. Let's say this is the middle point we are considering. We have to open this more than that middle point, and again so after opening that, we are going to place the tip of the needle at point A, and from there we are going to draw the arc, one at the upper side and one at the lower side, and using that open compass, we are going to place the compass at the point B, and from there we are going to make the arc at the upper and the middle point. Now from the points where both the arcs are joining, we are going to join the upper and the lower arc from there. So from here we got the bisector of the line segment AB. Let's say this is the point M. So this is the point M. So now our line segment AB is divided into 2 equal parts. Now we have to divide this into 4 equal parts. Now here we can write this as AB is equals to double of AM, or AB is equals to double of BM. Now we are going to take AM as our line segment. Now we are going to take A as the center. We have to open our compass more than the half of the AM. Let's say this is the half. We have to open the more than this, and after opening the compass more than the half of the length of AM, we are going to draw the arc. Taking the A as the center, we are going to draw the arc at the upper end as well as the lower end. Now taking the point M as the center, we are going to draw the arc as the upper end and the lower end. Now we are going to join them. So let's say this is the point P. Now again, as the AM is equals to BM, so we are using that previously opened compass. We are placing that compass at the point M, making the arc at the upper end and the lower end, and again we are going to place the center of the open arc at the point B. Again we are going to draw the arc at the upper and the lower end, and again we are going to join both the upper and the lower arcs. Let's say this is the point Q. So we can say that now our line segment AB is divided into 4 equal parts. That is, AP is equals to the PM is equals to the MQ, that is equals to the QB. So this is how we constructed the line. We have divided the line segment into 4 equal parts using the ruler and compass. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of practical geometry. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.